Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel My Time My Teacher. In this video I will tell you how to write methodology in sociology project class 12th. As you know, while we are making a project for class 12th, we need to write lot of topics there. And this is one topic, methodology, and how we are going to write that I am going to tell you in this video. The first one is we write what is methodology. The second one, we write types of methodology. The third one, we write method selected. The fourth one, we write advantages of method selected, and at last we write disadvantages of method selected. See, I have divided the topic into 5 subtopics. Now I am going to tell you how this is going to write. The first heading is what is methodology. Here you will write about the research methodologies. What are they? What are their use? Why they are done? What are the differences between them? That all comes here, and it comes around 2 pages. Right? The second one is types of methodology. In this heading, you are going to define minimum 4 or 5 methodologies which are to be used in sociology. Right? For example, questionnaire, for example, survey, for example, case study, like that. Right? So, you are going to write the types of methodologies here. Also, it will take 2 pages minimum, and you are going to define 4 to 5 methodologies. You are just writing 1 para about each. Then it will be 2 pages enough. The third heading is the method selected. Out of the methodologies which you have written here in the second heading, you are going to choose any one for your project. Which methodology you are going to follow during the research, that you are writing here, and again it will take 2 to 3 pages. This is only, you are going to define only one methodology which you have selected, and you are going to define that in details, so it will take 2 to 3 pages, right? Fourth heading is advantages of method selected. Whatever method you have selected here in third heading, you are going to write minimum 5 advantages of that, and again it will take around 1 page. The next is disadvantages of the method selected. Again you are writing minimum 5. Again it will take 1 page. You see how many? 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. It will give you 8 to 10 pages. The whole methodology, and these both, it is better, advantages and disadvantages, it is better if you are writing them in points, not in paragraph, because you have to learn them. It will help you during the viva as well as for the examination also. So write them in points. These all you can write in paragraphs, right? This is about how to write methodology in the project. Okay? Hope it will help you. Thank you.